Welcome to the world of endless possibilities with Pacific Domes. Imagine your perfect escape, your dream adventure, or your ultimate retreat. What theme would you choose? Step into the mystical realm of an Ewok Village, where nature and fantasy intertwine. Experience the magic of living amongst the trees, surrounded by enchanted landscapes. Feel the breeze at our surfing camp, where the waves are your playground. Dive into the thrill of the surf, then relax in your cozy beach dome. Embrace the chill and wonder at Arctic camp, a serene escape into the icy wilderness. Discover the beauty of snow-covered vistas, where silence speaks volumes when you rest your head. Reach new heights with high mountain exploration, where adventure meets breathtaking views. After conquering the peaks, warm up by the fire in your dome. Experience the thrill of dog sledding, racing through snow-covered landscapes. Feel the rush of the wind as you glide across frozen terrain, and then cozy up by the fireplace with warm tea and friends. Celebrate love in a magical setting with our enchanted wedding domes. Create unforgettable memories in a space as unique as your love story. Find your inner peace at a yoga retreat, where tranquility and nature unite. Reconnect with yourself in a serene environment while activating each other in a guided meditation. Learn and grow at a wilderness school, where nature is the ultimate classroom. Engage with the environment, gaining skills and knowledge from the wild. Relax and unwind at a magical desert oasis, where the sun, sand, and sea are your companions. Enjoy breathtaking views while pampering oneself with luxury. Explore the cosmos in our Planetarium domes, a gateway to the stars. Journey through the universe, discovering the mysteries of the night sky. Be captivated by aerial performances, where art and gravity defy expectations. Watch as performers soar through the air, or cozy up in a floating swing chair. Drift into a dream state with our floating bed dome, where comfort meets innovation. Experience the sensation of sleeping among the clouds, cradled by the gentle sway of the dome. Feel the rhythm in a music venue dome, where sound and space create harmony. With Pacific Domes, the possibilities are endless. Which theme will you choose for your next adventure? Contact PacificDomes.com today. We will help bring your dome vision to life.